Hi everyone, it's Nabila with Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. And today we'll talk about Twitter ads. Did you know Twitter had 126,000 customers and almost 66,000 people use Twitter ads to promote their business or products in Twitter? So if you have a WooCommerce store and want to sell your products on Twitter, you can do that very easily in a simplified way. You can create a product feed for Twitter and start promoting your products via Twitter ads in just a few clicks. So let's see how that works. To create the product feeds for Twitter ads, you need to have Product Feed Manager installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. You can see that I've already done that, and now I'm going to click on Add New Feed from this module. Now here you have to give a product feed title if you want. So I'm going to give it Twitter ads. Then I have to select the merchant. So let's write Twitter. So this is basically the Twitter shopping or the Twitter ads. Now here you can select the feed type, which however you want. So basically you can add XML, CSV and TSV file for the Twitter ads product feed. Here the required attributes are first the product ID, then we have the product title. Then we have the product description here, then the stock status, the condition, the regular pricing, product URL, main image, and the branding or the manufacturer. Here you can edit some of these assigned values. So basically if you want to keep the product ID as product ID, you can do that, or you can change it from here. Then you can change the product title from here. You can select it at product description or the product ID. Then if you go ahead and if you want to change the stock status, you can do that here. You can do that availability without underscore, or here are some options available as well. So I'm not going to change that. Let's change the regular pricing. So let's say I want to showcase the sale pricing on my Twitter ads or my Twitter shopping. So I'm going to do that and change this attribute to sale price. Then I can change the product URL from here, and I can change the main image. If you want, you can also add new attributes here. So if you click on new attribute, you can select the attribute that you want to add in this feed. So let's say you want to add add some image. So if you want to add additional image link here, you can select it as attribute, and you have to change this. If you want to keep it as prefix and suffix, you can do that as well. If you want to change it to default, you can do that as well. I'm just gonna delete this. You can add whichever new attribute you want here. So then I'm going to go ahead and show you the product filters that we have. So you can add the custom filters here. You can change this. You can add only the category filter. So let's say you want to do that for only clothing. You can do that as well. If you want, you can add custom filters from here. You can delete it if you don't want this. You can add feed rules for this specific product category. So let's say you want the product titles to be changed. Let's say the product titles which contains winter, you can change the product titles to, let's say, product ID. This is just an example. You can do that, and you can just go ahead and publish the feed. So once you do that, you can download the feed, or you can view the feed directly from here. So basically you have to download the feed later when you want to upload it to the Twitter shop. So let's go back, and that's how easy it is to create the Twitter ads product feed or the Twitter shopping product feed with Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce.